So less incomes not to be shown. These are those incomes that already that has been already added, and we need to deduct. Suppose profit on sale of furniture is my non-operating income and has been added here. See, look at the second format. This is the question that will be available to you. In the question, this net profit, how did we calculate this net profit? All incomes are to be added. But in the incomes, some incomes are there which are non-operating incomes. Some incomes are added that are non-operating incomes, and we don't want those incomes. Things that are added and we don't want, we will deduct it. Very simple. Things that we don't want, we will remove it. So those things are added. To remove things that has been added, we will deduct. See how simple to understand what to add and what to deduct. So here, less incomes not to be shown. And where it will be given? It will be given on the credit side. Incomes are always on the credit side. And adjustment. Suppose some incomes are given as operating incomes, but actually they are non-operating. Some incomes are given as operating, but they are non-operating. So it will be given in the adjustment that you have to treat this income as non-operating, and it should not be shown in the business because it is not directly related to business. No. Okay, did you understand this much? Yes, did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now next is add, last. Add incomes to be shown, but forgot to show. But we forgot to show it. Now listen very carefully. Some incomes are there which are operating incomes. Suppose your operating income is sales. Your sales was 1 lakh, but by mistake you have shown it 80,000. Now 20,000 was not shown. It has to be shown. It has to be shown. And incomes are always added, and therefore the incomes that we forgot to show, that we forgot to put it in the P&L account. कोई बात नहीं, if you forgot to put it in the P&L account, put it now. Put it now means incomes, when we put incomes, always remember incomes are to be added. Those incomes that we want to show are to be added because we have forgot to put it in the P&L account. Okay, is it clear? Now suppose sales. I already told you sales are rupees 1 lakh, suppose. So 1 lakh, out of 1 lakh only 80,000 is shown here. 20,000 we forgot. It will be given in the adjustment. No, why they will give it? They will give you here. Otherwise, why we would have added here? If it was given in the P&L, why we would have added? We are adding incomes because we have forgot to show in the P&L account. So of course, definitely, obviously it will be given in the adjustments. It will be given in the adjustments. You need to read out the adjustments. If it is there any income, if it is there any type of operating income that we forgot to show, we will add it here. Because incomes are always to be added and expenses are always to be deducted. So here second item, less expenses allowable, will always be given in the adjustment. Similarly, those incomes that we forgot to show in the P&L will be given in the adjustments, and that we need to add it. Incomes added, fourth item, and second item, expenses deducted, second item. Okay, is it clear? And first and third are those things that we don't want, such as expenses. If we don't want expenses, we will add it. Why we are adding it? Because it was deducted earlier. Earlier it was deducted. Now we don't want, so add it back. No, simple. 5 minus 3 is 2. Now I don't want to deduct 3, but by mistake I have already deducted 3. So no problem, no, add it back. 2 plus 3 will become 5. So 3 will be added back. Okay. Similarly, incomes are always to be added. Some incomes are added which we don't want. 2 plus 2. So 2 is already added in 2. And I don't want that second wala 2, second wala income. So no problem. 4 minus 2 will become 2. So 2 is to be deducted, the thing that we don't want. And if it is income, we will deduct. The things that we don't want, and if it is expense, will be added back. I hope it is very clear now. Is it
Yes, ma'am.
clear? Everybody, please reply. Is it clear?